Maybe you have noticed in some of our videos that we like to use anvils for heat shaping our foam. I like to call this one the mushroom, this one the light bulb, and I'm going to show you today how you can use some basic materials to create your own. A knee also works, but we like some specialized tools. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need a piece of wood, a PVC pipe, white resin that you can buy at cosplayshop.be, and a plastic bowl that you can find in most hobby stores. I start off with drilling some small holes at the bottom of the PVC pipe. This will give the resin a better grip. The light bulb has two pieces, so I have to glue them together to make sure there aren't any leaks. The resin we are using has two parts and a 1:1 ratio in weight, which makes it easy to use. Always make sure to stir well and use a scale. Once stirred, I can pour it into the PVC pipe. If I don't make enough, I can just make more. Don't wait too long though, because the resin cures in less than an hour. When pouring into the light bulb, I noticed there was a small leak. Luckily, since the resin cures so fast, the leak fixed itself instantly, and I can just sand it off afterwards. While the resin cures for about an hour, I drilled some holes in the planks to fit the PVC pipe. Once dry, I just attached the anvils and we are finished. Now we just have to test the anvil, and it seems to be working perfectly. This will make the forming of foam so much easier. I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!